Well, excuse all the junk around here, but I just got this antique Brunner compressor today. I think it's about a 1925 or so. Everything works. I've never quite seen one of the entire setup. It's a Brunner serial number 82937. Original gauges and everything. I've never seen one with everything, including a little pop-off. But it works too. Here it goes. It's a bit late, I don't want to run it much. Original valves, like I say, they came off a farm. It was going to be cracked in a few days. The only thing wrong was the intake ball was stuck. I think it's original, but if anybody knows, well, I'd like to know. The switch isn't original. Motor works. It was almost stuck when I got it. I've been using it 7 years, never put any oil in. So it screamed. But there she is. Ta-ta.